What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another one. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on Lincoln. Go ahead and start fixing a few things, replacing a few things, swapping a few things, whatnot. But before I just start and take you guys along with me, I'm just gonna go over a couple things that I got. One of them was this. I got some of this PB blaster. Never used it before. I'm gonna try it out. I've always done WD-40 or that Super Tech from Walmart, the cheapy one, but thought I'd spend up a couple bucks and see what this is about. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray these on the door latches all the way around the hinges. These door latches, they get kind of stuck and it's stiff. I probably need to replace this. Yeah, I need to replace this too. This one's missing the roller. A little at a time, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. Let that sit for a little bit. Let that do its thing. But yeah, I went to the junkyard yesterday, and besides picking up that, I picked up two of these sun load sensors to replace that one. Now what this does is, if you have your headlight setting, come over here. If you have your headlight setting to auto lamp, you could drive with your headlights off during the day, but when it gets dark enough, your headlights will automatically come on. You don't even have to turn on the switch. Well, on this car and on the other one, when you would put it on auto during the daylight, broad daylight, the headlights will be on. So this little piece that goes in the center dash is bad. So I picked up two of them yesterday from Merc, 2002, and I forgot what the other one was, but it was in the 9802 category, and I picked both of them off. Last junkyard that I went to, I got two of them from two different Mercs, and they both didn't work. So I went to a different junkyard and I picked up two different ones. Hopefully they work. Now, if these both that I picked up yesterday don't work, that will make 3 and 4 so far. 4 sensors that I got that don't work. But I'm gonna keep looking. I'll keep looking. But also, my door sills, as you can see, I took them off. This is what they look like. You guys, I had these Lincolns. So I went to the junkyard yesterday. Excuse me. And I picked up these guys. These guys fit just the same as the ones I took off. Nothing different. Still has the same clipping brackets, the same location, nothing different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swap those in there. I'm gonna clean them up first, and then put them on. Always make sure you disconnect your battery. I'm working on stuff. I disconnected it because I'm gonna have the doors open for a while, and I'm gonna be fixing this mirror. Now this mirror that I took off, it was broken, and this was it. I hate when people put these little circle reflector thingies. It's even in the wrong spot. It's supposed to be down here. Anyways, this is broken. back right here is broken. Little clips are broken around. So yesterday when I went to that junkyard, I got it off this 01 Touring. It was green. Everything fits the same. Just gonna transfer this spring over to this location and plug it in. Yeah. See, here's that other sensor that I got. Hopefully it works. We'll find out. You know, a little love and care. It's come a long way though. Let me finish spraying these door latches. I don't know how good this is. I never used it. Looks real foamy. So hopefully it works. Yeah, I think I need to. It just feels stiff. Let me see mine. Oh, excuse me. Yep. See, I have the rollers. That car don't. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna need to get next. Is those rollers. It's just like Tony Lawler. If you guys watch his channel, he goes into talking about replacing the rollers. This one doesn't have it either. They all don't have it. So excuse me. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. But I'm gonna put you guys on pause for the cause, and I'll bring you back to my next project. All right, guys. Now for pair number 2. I already just took off the 2 bolts, 2 7mm bolts to hold it down, and then you just push this tab in. It comes out. So I'll throw that over there. Get our junkyard one. Clip this bad boy in place. Just like that. And the battery. Let me close the door first. Like butter? Okay. Now, hold it. Got the car running. Make sure this is pointing the sun. Okay. Now, see if it goes off. Yup. Damn it. So that one's no good. Shoot, man. All these things I get are bad. Okay, well, I'm gonna have another one. So let's see if we can swap this one out. See what that does. Number 4. Oh, this doesn't work, man. Drum roll. Woo, we got a good one. Yes. Yes. It's plugged in. It's on auto lamp. And the headlights are off. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. See, that's why I get doubles, because if you just get one, if it don't work, then you're just, oh shoot, well, that's it for that. If you get 2 or 3 of them, you might have a fighting chance. That's awesome. All right, that's one thing checked off. Go ahead and kill this motor. Cool. All right, guys, on to the next project, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, now it's time to do the mirror. I'm gonna need both hands for this, but I'm just gonna go over real quick of how to unplug it, whatever. So you have 2 wires. You can't get these mixed up. These only go in one direction because of the bigger port. Well, maybe not. Well, all I know is that the top one goes on this one, and the black one goes on this one. And you just slide it in. And then this guy is keyed. As you can see, it only goes one direction, so you can't mess it up. I'm gonna try to put these clips in through here. And then we'll get back to you when it's done. Alright, guys, I got this one in. It's plugged in. Here's an old one. It's all broken. But yeah, looks good. Looks really good. So I'm gonna throw this one away. All right. All I really got left to do is do the floor sills. But I'm gonna clean them up first. I'm gonna clean the inside of the door jambs. I need to get new door jamb latches, the rollers. Still a little bit to be done. Just coming along. that's gonna do it, guys. Just want to drop in, take you on this little journey with me with her. And as always, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.